Black pickup truck, gonna stay in between lanes. We're heading back into town. What street, Fred? Speedball. Straight for you. County unit, county department should take police. They're asking for everybody to stand back just in case he tries to hit or... Back up, they're going to city. Or a city deal. CBI. Madison just jumped in. He's still rolling. Where's the location? TBI again, so first day. TBI. Still going. Still rolling in the ditch. Where at? He's taking back off with 334. What up the club fire? They met 2 attempts. He drove out of cold. We got a county in front. And then a county, they have to get past the county, I go TBI on. Look on that side of the person. People need to stop passing people. Here's another location. We're traffic block. We're passing road fire. Right now. Passing road fire. I'm primary. That's it. Making going south on one. Right, come on, one. One, two, ditch. He's taking, okay, we're on Rosser, on the lead, we're on Rosser. Heavy towards on Rosser. Coming up to, Left department, some full stop sign, heading north up across there. You get it. Stay behind the state. Calm down. Alright, county 15 on 2. County 15 on 2. We're coming into the curve on Rosser. State's coming. Beach 2. You're still on Rosser. Hey, oh, he just ran. He hit me. Get out the fucking car! You gonna fucking up! I'll blow your fucking head! Get out, you motherfucker! Give me your hands! Go ahead, give me his hand. Calm down. I'll do that one. Got him? Give me his finger. Get him, bro. Right another hand, right here.
Please, get in the car. Get in the car. All you gotta do is stay in the car. I got you. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. You better get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. You gotta get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Stop. Where are you? I tried to get past the corner the first time. Bradshaw did. I'm gonna have damage. I'm gonna have damage. Yeah, I know. I tried to get up to shoot him, but... where you landed. Huh? That's where you landed. That's it done? Yeah, ain't none of ours. Hey, anybody drop back? Yeah, that's his. That's his. Y'all check him good? That's right. Okay. We search him good, though? Yeah, I was good. I couldn't fit him. I couldn't get him. I think they're still for me, okay? I think you got to ask me a question. I think him this guy. Okay, I just make sure I see no magazine unless he has a gun on it.
Don't move any of the vehicles until I get there.
There's out some beer in the truck. Hey, hold up. We ain't gonna move these vehicles yet. We're gonna have to do we ain't gonna move them yet. We gotta do a report. Yeah, because he come out. He hit us on that side when he come out of that ditch. First ball brain like his football brain's as bad as mine. What? Which one's yours?
643, you have traffic.
I can't get up the pit. I know. I was trying to get him, but I don't. Oh, yeah. He's not going to blow him out. He should have reached out. Yeah. I don't know how he didn't. When I pitted him, he went all the way sideways, hit the ditch, and went right back through. He didn't get deeper. Yeah, I did. He didn't have a bumper. And I was trying to come out, and Bryce was like, I said, oh. I know, we were telling him to back off. He was right beside us. I said, ditch. That's why I got on radio, said airport back off. You good? Yeah. He smoked Bryce. He just... He hit him head on. Yeah. So he avoided my I didn't know what was going on. I was what, 3 attempts? Well, not for you, but I'm just saying 3 total. Right? Yeah, so attempted murder for a beer, apparently. Or a battery one, I guess they do battery one. The only reason I heard it because I just got in my car and I said, oh, shoot, they're in pursuit. Who started it? Huh? Madison. Oh, did the truck stolen somewhere? No, I saw the drug out. I was going to get stopped. Hey, is his name Jonathan Howard? Jonathan Howard? They got a discharge paper. Last name Howard. First name Jonathan. 1989, 622.
Ha 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 ha.
Yes, sir. I'm good.